Good afternoon, Baba Kunle. I come talk small matter with you.
Good afternoon, Mama Sade. No problem, talk to me.
Nah, about your wife. She dey come my shop, they buy food on credit every time.
I don't know about that. Continue.
Abeg tell her make she stop coming to my shop for credit. I no fit give again.
I hear you. I go talk to her today. No vex.
No problem. Bye-bye.
If you have ever wanted to make multiple AI characters talk, perfectly lip sync, all for free, this is the video for you. This 2026, we are no longer gatekeeping, and that is why you have to watch this video to the very end. Your AI content creation game is about to change. Yes, no paid software, no complicated setups. With just free AI tools, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create an entire conversation with AI characters that talks as though they are real people talking. Imagine this. One character
I don't
talks,
want you.
another
Stop telling my
responds,
children not to
all
play in
with
the
different
compound again.
tones, perfect lip sync, and it all looks as though it's a movie scene. And here's the crazy part of it. Most people think you require expensive gadgets or expensive tools in order to be able to achieve this. I have come here today to tell you that no, you can do it all by yourself. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create multiple lip sync videos with the free AI tools I'll be introducing you to. This is the same method creators are now using to create their YouTube shorts, their YouTube faceless channels, and storytelling animations channel. If you have ever been struggling to make your AI characters look realistic, syncing voices to mouth correctly, or creating conversations between two or more people instead of one person just talking, then this video is for you. You have to watch to the very end because I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how to make it 100 times better and realistic. Before I continue, I want to encourage you to please encourage me by liking my video, by sharing it, by commenting, and by subscribing ultimately. Please help me so that you can keep seeing more of my videos every time. The first thing we do is head over to ChatGPT and then you ask ChatGPT to create a 3-scene story for you. You write the kind of story you want it to create for you, which is the concept of the story, and I'm asking ChatGPT to create a story of two women sitting in front of their home and talk about the cost of items in the market with simple camera angles. Let's wait for it to load. So eventually I changed the story and I changed it to that of a woman that came to report a woman to her husband. So it's going to create the 3 scenes which he has done here, and the next thing is for you to tell it to make it into a dialogue scene. So it's made it into a dialogue scene, but I said that it was too long and I didn't want the video to be too long, so I said it should reduce it to 2 dialogues per scene, which it has done. Then I'll go ahead to tell it to create the image prompt of that of those scenes. It's going to create the image prompt of those scenes, which it is what it has rightfully done, as you can see. Afterwards, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make it into a cartoon pixar style for me, and here it is. It has rewritten the prompts for all the image generation scenes. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this website, which is called Whisk. Whisk is from Google, and the next thing I'm going to do is I want to show you from a very clean interface. I'm going to bring the image prompts I copied from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it here on this website scene by scene. You see I changed the dimension to 9 by 16. So depending on the dimension you want, you have to set it here. So you wait for it to generate. It's not a slow website, so just be patient for it, and it's going to generate 2 per prompt for you. It's loading the second one. So the next thing you do is to choose which of the pictures you like the most, select it, and then download it by clicking there, download it, and then you erase the previous prompt. You go back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene prompt. You copy it from ChatGPT as I am doing right now. You copy it from ChatGPT and then you go back there to paste the prompt on Whisk. So After pasting the prompts, you do the same. You see, I'm going to paste it and it's going to generate the two pictures for us. Please, in everything you do, try to download the pictures you would need so that you don't go back and forth with image generation. And if you notice, my image is not consistent, and that is because I did not ask ChatGPT to make it a consistent character. Just by the benefit of this video, I just had to, create the storyline for you people to see. You do the same for all three scenes. You go back to ChatGPT, back and forth, then you do it until your satisfaction. If you are not satisfied with any of the picture or any of the images it has generated for you, you can always tell it to redo it. It's a free platform. It's a free platform, so anybody can use it for now. Generate all the images you would need using this method. I try to repeat the method more than once so that you can get it very well. And if you do not understand any part of the video, you can do well to rewatch it, pause it, and then do your practicals from it. So I have generated all the pictures that I want for my video. The next app we are going to use is Grok. You head over to Grok and then go to Imagine. When you get to Imagine, click on Attach. After clicking on Attach, select your picture that you want to use. Immediately your picture is attached, Grok instantly start generating your animated video for you. Yes, the first thing it does is it animates the picture you have inserted or you have attached to the. Wait for it to generate. It doesn't take time. You can see it is on speed. Yes, so we are already at 80 something plus. Then our video is ready. So you can see it has been animated successfully. The next thing you have to do is go back to your ChatGPT. Go back to ChatGPT and click on the first scene. Yes, go back to where you actually wrote your script, not your image generation. Go back to where you wrote your script and you can see our scene one. Copy this dialogue for scene one, the first dialogue, copy it and go back to Grok. Paste it where you see customize video. As you can see, I am typing there and I want to make sure that the language spoken is in Nigerian accent. Yes, I am very specific about what I want. You write dialogue in Nigerian accent and then you paste that first prompt of you paste that first dialogue, which is of Mama Shade. Mama Shade saying good afternoon. So you edit it and says good afternoon. Please ensure to edit Babakunle away. Yes, so that your output will not be modeled together. So let's wait for this one to generate and then we'll be able to move further. It doesn't take so much time. Like I said, it is very, very fast. So far your internet is fast. Be rest assured that this is very fast and it doesn't consume much data. So let's hear the
Good
outcome.
afternoon,
I'm going to
Babakunle.
unmute
I
it
come
and I'm
talk
going to
small
play
matter.
it. Let's hear the outcome.
Good afternoon, Babakunle. I come talk small matter with you.
As you can see, immediately it generated what I wanted for me. The next thing I did was to click on download button and then download it into my device. So I'm going to erase this and then go back to ChatGPT and copy Babakunle's part of the conversation. So I'm going to copy good afternoon, Mama Shade. No problem. Talk to me. So I'm going to go back to the place and I'm going to paste it there and say Babakunle says. So ensure to always say says so that it can actually make Babakunle say it. And then you wait patiently for it to download. So I'm going to do this pretty quickly so that I don't consume much of your time. But as you can see, it is loading and it is very, very fast. If you notice, I did not change the image. I did not change anything. I just removed the part of the prompt that I wanted to replace. As soon as it's finished generating, you listen to it and be sure that is what you want your character to say, and it is that exact character that has said it. So the next thing you do is to also download the video where Babakunle has spoken. All this video just leave them in your gallery. You are going to need them. We are almost done. I copied this prompt again from ChatGPT, and I do the same for every other scene that I want to use, and then it generates for me. In case you do not like the results that it has given to you, you have every opportunity to redo it. Just be very careful so that you don't max out all your credit for that day. So let's wait for this last part to load, and then we'll be able to move to the next stage. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and let's keep going. The next thing we are going to do after this video has been generated, as I've always said, is to listen to it and be sure that is what you have done. As usual, listen to it and
Just
then you
wait.
download it. So the next place we
No
go to
problem.
is CapCut. We come to CapCut and we import all the videos that we have downloaded from our Grok AI. You pick all the pictures and then you edit them. The first thing you do is to listen to it and trim out all the unnecessary parts that you do not want in the video. We all know how to edit, right? Okay. If you don't, let me know in the comment section and I will treat it in my next video. So the next thing you do is to treat every of the scene and cut out the parts, like I said, the unnecessary parts, and then you export your video. If you have any other thing you want to add to your video, you can add them, but if you don't, you are good to go. You are good to go. So the next step is to export your video. Yes, you can export it in 1080p or 4K video, depending on the subscription of CapCut you have. So watch your video and be sure that is what you want. Export it and post it on your channel. Whatever platform you're using, you can post them and you are good to go. That is how to lip sync multiple AI characters just like a pro. No long term, you don't need too many tools and you are good to go. Sit back and enjoy this last video that I made using the same method. And that's it. You now know how to create multiple AI characters that lip sync perfectly with free AI tools. If this has helped you in any way, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that other people can also see this video. If you have any question or you want me to make any type of video on AI storytelling, animated podcasts or YouTube faceless channel, drop a comment below. I actually read them. Thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.
I don't warn you. Stop telling my children not to play in the compound again. I like your children. I know fit send them comotes. No vex. I no like fight like this.